In this video, we're staying at the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas, next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Las Vegas series. And today I'm gonna finally show you the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. And we're gonna stay in a Studio King room overlooking the strip. I'm gonna give you a complete room tour, show you my favorite pizza spot in the Cosmo, look a little around the first, second, and third floors. The first floor is the casino. The second and third floors have places like Wicked Spoon and the restaurants. I'm mainly gonna focus on the hotel room since I haven't stayed here since 2015. But first, fit check! You see this circle here on the ground at Starbucks? Well, that perfect circle is up here. Shout out to Latruce. I had to show it in this video for sure. And this right here is the beautiful chandelier bar that goes 3 floors up. The second floor has a wide array of shops like All Saints, Momofuku, which we've tried in a video before. Milk is a dessert spot, the Juice Standard, Egg Slut. These have all been on videos before in the past. And Marquis down the way, Block 16's over here too. And Super Frico is down in the end of the hall. We're making our way up to the third floor. And on the third floor is more of the conference center. You got the Chelsea, and Secret Pizza's entrance is right here by the escalator, straight ahead. I've also heard good things about Blue Ribbon. You can get dinner and late night drinks here. Unfortunately, the Boulevard pool is now closed for the fall and winter, but it will be back open in the spring. And they do turn this into an ice skating rink in the winter. And this is Beauty in Essex, and then a Chinese place called Red Plate. And there are 2 towers here in the Cosmo. One's the Boulevard Tower and the other one is Chelsea, and we're staying at Boulevard on the 38th floor. All right, Jaycationers, it is time for the oh so popular room review. And we are here in a studio room overlooking the strip. I literally have Planet Hollywood right in front of me, and I'm on the very top floor of the Boulevard Tower, and it's the 38th floor. Actually, I don't know if it's the very top floor, but on the elevator it says 38, and that was the last floor. But this room is awesome. It's got a partition from the living room to the bedroom, and you have I'm bringing sex to back, yeah, right here, and an L-shaped couch with these nice gold pillows and a nice fluffy one right here. Over this way, another coffee table with a lamp and an extra seat right here. That looks like grandfather's blazer design. And then you have 2 coffee tables here and your remote control and an art and place book that you can take a look at and just enjoy while you're sitting here in the morning drinking coffee. I'm also loving this long work desk they have here. If you have your computer, you can set up right here. Nice chair, a couple of outlets down below, outlets up here. You have Ethernet cord, Cosmo stationery, and your little tip envelope right here, and a nice little sphere looking lamp right in front of me. You also got one of 2 TVs here in the living room, and I've only found 1 remote. That 1 remote works for this and in the bedroom. One thing I really do like about the Cosmo is they also have this huge counter space. My only criticism would be they should probably put a couple of lights here just to light it up at night. If you're making drinks like me, I brought a bottle of gin with me. I really do dig the silver of the ice bucket right here, and the ice machine is just right down the hall. This is what's awesome too. You have like this iPad here. It'll tell you how many degrees it is. You could access guest services, room controls. You could set an alarm, and then there's also a way to get messages from guest services as well. Also have the mini bar and the in-room dining menu and amenities menu. There are QR codes here. We'll check that out a little later. And then the Keurig machine. That's what I brought from home, and I've been using that this morning. And then over here is the mini bar. Don't touch that. Little drawer right here, or a nice little cubby that you can stick stuff in. And then on the right side is the refrigerator where you can bring all your drinks and take out food. So you do have the partition separating you and the living room and bedroom. And this closet right here is actually a light sensor, and I could tell that all the internet stuff is in here too, like the modem and router. But they do have 2 robes for you to use. They also have 2 luggage racks, and then a ton of these nice hangers that you can also hang your coats and whatnot. And then the ironing board is right here as well. Over in this side of the closet, it's a third door. You have a cubby which the camera's on, and then your safe, as well as a Cosmopolitan laundry bag if you need to dry clean, do laundry or press. And then the iron is right down here, and you get a couple of slippers and then another cubby down below. So we did get a nice king-size bed, and you have a bench right in the very front where you can put your shoes on, and there's a smaller TV here so you can go to sleep watching some ESPN. I really do like the design of this bed right here. You have gray tones and like these Le Fleur, New Orleans-y style gray wallpaper behind it. You have a reading lamp that pops out. This gold bar right here is a reading lamp, and the two bed stands. You have a drawer and a cubby down here. Gold lamp that's very circular. You have two USB chargers and two regular outlets, and your telephone right here. Now the other side is just the same lamp, and there is a control to control all of the lights. It says bedroom, living room, all on or off. And let me show you guys my favorite part of this room and the reason why you should stay here at the Cosmo. Not very many hotels on the Las Vegas Strip have balconies, and the Cosmo has that for you. And it's a pretty huge balcony, and they even have furniture. Some places don't even allow the furniture on the balcony. So you have your one single seat here you can relax on with a coffee table, and then you have the longer one right down the way here with a coffee table, and they do have like an ashtray, so I guess you can't smoke out here. Smoking's bad. I wouldn't recommend taking a nap out here, especially if this is the second cold day here in Vegas. The weather just seemed to change overnight, but you can actually just lounge out here and just enjoy the views. You get the Eiffel Tower, the Planet Hollywood right in front of us, and the pool looks like it's closed now, so pool season is over as of October 30th, 2023, and then I can see the Arc de Triomphe right here all the way to the airport, and I see the Westgate down the way past the Link High Roller. On this coffee table, they also have things showing you here, directions, how you can connect your mobile device or your laptop to your TVs. Now the entryway, you have your full-size mirror and a nice portrait of a busty burlesque woman right here, like a random wire artwork, and you got your double locks here as well. And this is also hello, relax, goodbye, and dimmers, so you can control the lights from there too. I'm liking this bathtub over here. Too bad I don't have my bubbles. Camera is on this shelf with two towels. They also give you facial soap and a shower cap and a floor towel as well. I actually think this is like a 3D design of somebody's body. It's weird when you look at it. Just look at it. It's one of like those 3D things that like come to you when you're looking at it. That's what she said. And then there's dual sinks right here, dual towel racks, and then the hair dryer is down in one of these two drawers. Even though I took it out already, you get a couple of glasses, as well as the Cosmo body lotion, toiletries, and soap. They even give you mouthwash. You got your tissue here, and I already sprawled out my toiletries because I was in such a rush yesterday that I usually film all my stuff ahead of time, but it was Halloween party night, and I have my fake blood and my teeth for Jaycation. Ooh, and also they have Q-tips and cotton balls. Also forgot to mention, they do have this mirror here that lights up, vanity mirror, and a hook, and then the door slides for you, and the on and off switch for the lights. Oh, and then the two oval mirrors in front of each sink, and then there's a light, oval light that surrounds it, and it looks like it's hanging down from the wall. That's a pretty cool design. The wall of the throne is creepy. It's the face of a woman, and I didn't realize it until I was filming that B-roll that you're watching right now, but the toilet is low to the ground, and obviously the ventilation of the air conditioning isn't in here because it feels like a mini sauna. Now this is a huge shower. You don't have a rainfall shower, but your regular shower head, huge knob, and your body wash, daily shampoo and daily conditioner, and this huge bench right here. Man, I wish this could turn into a sauna. It'd be nice. Haven't gotten in a sauna for like 2 weeks because I've been away from San Diego for so long. And I also like the inner oyster shell design of the walls here, you get that multicolor like you see inside an oyster. All right, let's scan the mini bar menu. From Bites, the crackers are about 10 bucks and the nuts are about 12 bucks. That's actually not bad for a mini bar price. Coke is $9 and Fiji waters are 15, but that's actually cheaper than, like, let's say MGM. The Suds, the beers, the hard seltzers, and the Modelo. Bud Light's 10 bucks and Estella is 13. Your bubbly, the big champagne, the 375 ml is 60 bucks, but you can get wine for 35. Mini liquor is 12 bucks and large liquor is 55 bucks. And the Romance kit is only 30 bucks. That's better than like 65 in other places that I've seen around the Las Vegas Strip. So honestly, yeah, it's still expensive, but their prices are a little more competitive than the other brands that are around the Strip. Wanted to shout out one of my amazing mods, Teresa M and Dave, for hooking it up with this room. They gave me their companion nights and they're down here at Cosmo as well. We're hanging out and just wanted to say thank you. So no price for this video because it was comped, and that's the stuff I disclose. Now Cosmo is not a cheap hotel, but on the weekdays you could probably find a room here for about $250. I would say anywhere from $250 to $500 for a regular room, depending if it's a weekday or a weekend. Yeah, it's not cheap, but it's a really nice modern hotel. So you have a dimmer ambiance here in the hallways of the Cosmo. The second and third floors of Cosmo are full of restaurants, conference centers, and their buffet. This is the Jaleo Jose Andres restaurant. Nice Spanish tapas restaurant here. Secret pizza, and look at this, guys, no line. Your boy's gonna get pizza. We're starving. A slice of pizza is $6.50 for cheese, and one topping is $7.50. 50-cent additional toppings. They also have salads and booze here. And Heineken is the sponsor for Formula One Las Vegas Grand Prix. I thought I was gonna try something new during my stay here at the Cosmo because I've featured Secret Pizza many times before, but I love Secret Pizza and I don't care how much a slice is. I ended up getting 2 slices. I was just gonna do one, but hey, you only live once. I got the pepperoni and mushroom, the ricotta cheese with meat, and I'm gonna start off with my pepperoni and mushroom because that was my #1 choice. And I also got some Tabasco here, but look at that. Now this is what you call a New York style pizza for sure. Pizza is your boy's weakness, I'll tell you that. I love me some pizza. And with the line not being long at Secret Pizza, I had to try it for this time, for this trip around. All right, ricotta and sausage time right here with a little bit of that Tabasco. I love that mix up. I also have some red peppers in here, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder. They have all those condiments there for you to put on the pizza. It's the night before Halloween, and look at that, almost a full moon, and look how beautiful the Las Vegas Strip is from this balcony here at the Cosmopolitan. This is gonna creep into my top 10 hotels in Vegas for sure. All right, so what did I think about staying at the Cosmopolitan after 8 years of not being here? I think this is definitely getting back up into my top 10 of hotels. I've actually never really stayed with a strip view here. The 1 or 2 times I have stayed here have been kind of crappy views, and wow, this is awesome. And I've never stayed at a huge Studio King room before, and that shower is just huge. I love that, and I like the fact that they have 2 TVs. This balcony is amazing. It's a game changer with the 2 couches here, and I love how you can control all the lighting from that touchpad. So I would definitely say, Cosmo, you're awesome. And I wanted to take the time out to thank one of my mods on Jaycation, Teresa, and her husband for making all of this happen. This was a great few days, got to hang out with them a little bit. And yeah, I didn't show any of the restaurants or anything. I just showed you my favorite pizza because Secret Pizza is always a go-to. But I will definitely cover more restaurants in my channel in the future, so comment down below. I think I want to do Holstein's and try out their burger. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to Jaycation. Check out Las Vegas 777 Let's Go. It's my Facebook page. We have over 4,000 members on there talking about Las Vegas news and everything going on here in Vegas. Like F1, it's about to happen in a couple of weeks. Definitely we'll be back at the Cosmo eventually. Maybe we'll check out the Chelsea side next year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. And in the words of me, stay traveling, Las Vegas. Let's go. Messi, the GOAT, Ballon d'Or. Let's go 8 times, baby.